Hey friends, my name is Oleg, this is Mr. Bond, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to do an unboxing video for one of my Grail watches. It's a small Grail watch, it's an affordable watch, just goes to show you that not all Grail watches have to be expensive. Some Grail watches can be affordable, and this one is one of them. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I've been talking about this specific watch for a long time. It's Poljot Chronograph Shurmanskie. It's vintage, it's not that old, I think it's about 25 years old, a chronograph watch from a company called Poljot. Now, the reason why it took me so long to buy this watch is because the original plan for me was to go to Ukraine and on my trip there to pick up the watch. However, I wasn't able to find one, and after reviewing my friend's Poljot, I decided, hey, no matter what, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy one of these watches. And I did, and I think I got a really good deal. So the watch was listed on eBay for $245 US. I made an offer of $190, and to my surprise, the seller has accepted that offer. So he mailed the watch, and almost 6 weeks later, I received the watch. Now, no thanks to Canada Post, because the watch was purchased end of November, then it got to Canada, I think December 9th or December 11th. Then it took almost 5 weeks for it to come from Ontario to British Columbia, where I live. 5 weeks? Did they walk it across the country? I have no idea what happened there. I know holidays and all that, but still, 5 weeks, way too long. Either way, here we are. I'm about to open the package. Very excited. So let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, so here's the package. It arrived earlier today. As you can see, I taped over my address and the address of the sender. Don't really want to disclose that on the internet. Now, one of the things that you should watch out for when you buy one of the packages from countries like Ukraine, although I am from Ukraine originally and I love the country, but there is still a little bit of corruption going on, so you want to watch out for any signs of tampering with the package. Just make sure that it doesn't look like the package was opened, and even here the seller included the seal, so you could see right away if the package was opened, the seal would be cut. In this case, the seal is intact, so I can open the package safely, and I know that the watch most likely, hopefully, is in there. Okay, I was finally able to cut that box open. So far, no watch, just a whole bunch of plastic bags. Fingers are crossed for the watch. Alright, now I can see the black band. And here it is. Oh, that's great. Let's open up this Ziploc bag. Look at that. Now you tell me that's not a beautiful chronograph. So it has the tag here. I mean, obviously this is not a brand new watch. They don't even make these watches anymore. But the condition, at least visually, looks great. The seconds hand for the chronograph is not aligned properly, so we'll have to test the chronograph right now. A little bit worried about that. Other than that, at least looking at the camera screen, looks like the condition is pretty good. So this crown at the 9 o'clock position, that's the crown to rotate the inner rotating bezel. It is a bidirectional bezel, which means the bezel rotates in both directions. I'm guessing the crown at the 3 o'clock position, that's the crown to wind the movement. As you can see, the chronograph and the seconds hand started running. Let's give it a few more winds. A couple of months ago, I reviewed a different Poljot watch that was a watch that I borrowed from a friend of mine. And that watch and this one have exactly the same movement. Power reserve of the movement is stated at 40 hours, but it was getting way more than that. It was getting close to 60, almost 70 hours of power reserve. So it'll be very interesting to test out the power reserve on this watch before I do the full review. Hopefully it also has a very long power reserve. Now this is not an automatic watch, it's a mechanical watch. So the top pusher was to stop the chronograph and to start it again. So let's stop it And let's reset it. Now, this is the moment of truth. Does it reset properly? Does it reset to 0? Let's see. Yes, it does both of those things. Very happy about that. Here's the watch on my 7.5-inch wrist. I like how it looks on the wrist. Fits flushly. It's not a very thick watch, although it has that boxed acrylic crystal. 18mm lug width, so I'll need to replace the strap with something a little bit better quality. This one here is, of course, not very high-end. But overall, I'm really happy. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing for Poljot Shurmanskie Chronograph. I'm really happy with the condition of the watch, and I'm really happy that the watch works properly. The chronograph starts, stops, and resets back to the 0 position. That's all really good to see. You never know how lucky you're gonna get when you purchase a used watch, especially an older used watch on eBay. I think I got pretty lucky with this one. However, what I will do, I will still take this watch to my watchmaker, make sure that everything inside works properly, make sure that the watch is cleaned, pay a few dollars for that, and if anything needs to be fixed in the watch, maybe fix that. Hopefully nothing needs to be fixed, but of course I'll keep you guys updated through this process in the full review. So when I do a full review, I'll talk about what I did to the watch in terms of cleaning, fixing anything, all those type of things. So stay tuned for that video, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss it when it comes out. Give this one thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment in a comment section below. Let me know what is your affordable or attainable Grail watch. Not all Grail watches have to be expensive. Sometimes Grail watches can be a couple $100, maybe $50, whatever it is, let me know. I always enjoy reading your comments. By the way, today on my wrist, I'm wearing Omega Speedmaster Automatic. I did a full review of this watch. I did an unboxing video for this watch. Both of those videos will be linked in the description below. Also, in the description below, there are 2 other links. The first link is a secret link. Have a look if you're curious. The second link is a link to bondnatostraps.com if you're looking for a good quality NATO strap and want to support this YouTube channel at the same time. Buying one of those NATO straps is a good way to do so. Thanks for watching this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you had fun, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. People often ask, how do I get Bond to sit so still for these videos? The answer is, I bribe him. Give him little snacks. He drools all over my pants. Does the sacrifice. And in exchange, he will sit still for the intro of the video. That's the deal we've made.